we have these laser cut pieces of wood that we cannot snap apart because they advise us to use a X-Acto knife, and we even tried to go with a file, very tiny file, and that was too big. So that part's a little tedious, and you have to go at it from both sides. And there are all these different pieces that have to be not snapped apart, but cut apart very delicately. And this very fine saw turned out to be too thick, and the X-Acto knife worked pretty well until I broke the tip. But I finally got all the different pieces apart. Now I'm ready to go on to the next step. So I'm going to take all these zip ties and get them ready. On my last one here. To hold down these bearings, which is our next piece. Step 8 now, and we've assembled this piece, and this piece, and a large and a small motor. I think it's time for dinner. We'll take all these extra pieces and the directions, put those on hold right now. Just tightening up these bolts before we go on to the next part. And this has the sandpaper pulleys on it. Trip to Home Depot to get some tools so we could finish up this project. We kind of got stuck yesterday not having the right tools, so I think today will go much better. We're tightening up the Z-axis motor. And these are both really large motors. There'll be 4 motors total. This one is the X-axis and the Z-axis motor. Tighten those up before we go on to. We now have a complete assembly of the X-axis and the Z-axis. The trickiest thing was these little nuts, where I learned if you hold them on the point, you can get them in just right. And don't tighten these screws too tight because you always have to loosen them up to get all the parts to fit together. But there we go.